Yo guys, what's up? So ngayon may papanoorin na naman tayo. Isa na namang labanan ng kamao at saka tadyakan to guys. So ngayon guys, papanoorin natin. Ito yung gusto natin guys na panoorin. So si Rod Tang. Isang, alam niyo ba guys na ito si Rod Tang guys is the highest paid Muay Thai fighter in the world. Oo. At sa, outside sa kanyang competitive fighting career, etong si Rod Tang guys is isa ka brand ambassador of several companies. Include na nato din yung Malaysian brand na Amar and Amran o kining E-Miners. Okay, yun. So guys, ngayon papanoorin natin tong laban nila guys ni, sino ba yung kalaban niya dito? Si Takeru. Ayan, ito yung Takeru versus Rod Tang 2 full fight guys. Ayan, TKO highlights. So ngayon panoorin natin guys. Huwag natin patagalin to. Tara, umpisa na natin. Let's go. Eto na. Representing and Thailand, the Iron Man. Eto na, parang vampira lang yung datingan guys. Oh. Eto na si Rod Tang guys. Ngayon panoorin natin guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Kickboxing. Yun. Let's go, let's go. Naglo-loading pa kanina guys. Okay. Okay, ready. Fighter ready. Fight. Let's go. Mm-hmm.
Defensive posture, weight on the back leg. Takeru, especially forward.
Yun.
Best shots. There he is, taking it to the body, to the head, to the body, after the head. On the inside leg, the lead leg kick to the inside of Takeru's lead leg. Gives you 6 years to time. They're chopping on the outside as well. Press conference was like, let's box for the first 2 rounds, Takeru. Takeru was like, no chance, young man. This is kickboxing. This is for a world title. Can't catch the kick though.
Alam niyo ba to si Rod Tang guys, isa din tong parang si Manny Pacquiao din doon sa Thailand. Isang superstar din to. And humble to guys. Nakikita ko yung mga personal vlog na ito. Napaka-humble at saka ano guys, itawag niyan yung simple. Simple lang. Kailangan dito sa sports na to guys, malakas talaga yung katawan mo. Wala ka talagang iniinda. Bugbugan talaga guys eh. Hindi lang kay suntok eh, sipaan pa.
Finishing weapon for Takeru is, has always been and is the hands.
Takeru, isang Japanese fighter, isang Japanese kick boxing or kickboxer. Okay? Si Takeru, kalaban niya rito guys.
That chipping kick again. Poke holes in the gas tank. The Iron Man. the most durable fighters the championship has ever known. Oof. The hand combinations are blistering coming from the Iron Man as Takeru triples up on the calf kicks. That was nice. Finding an opening there with the calf kick. You know, Rotan is taking it very easy and relaxed this first round. Not letting a lot of bombs go, not anything like the first fight. They also saw Rotan dig from the head to the body earlier in the fight.
So, round 1 yun.
Definitely expect that his output.
Let's go sa round 2.
Once Rotan gets going downhill, it is just a relentless wave of punishment and battery that comes out of the Iron Man. So Takeru is going to have to match that the entire night if he wants to hang in there with Rotan and retire with gold around his waist here tonight. Rotan chopping at the legs. Rotan again riding the ropes a little bit here.
Yun. Round kick guys, nasa baba.
Minor adjustment.
Low blow, low kick.
Pressures his way forward. Rotan almost inviting in Rotan as he watches the three-punch combination. Big left hook. The low kick was checked. Every exchange.
Yun. Parang natumba si Rotan guys, natumba.
He says no. Olivier Cost says yes. Mitch, I was gonna say they haven't opened up besides Rotan.
Natumba si Rotan guys. Paano yun?
Chopping away at the leg again, fires the right hand. Rotan looking for the push kick, Ryan. His hands are looking very sharp, Mitch. He's catching Rotan as he's stepping forward. Rotan not utilizing his jab. He's looking for big shots, and he's walking into counter punches entirely.
Ayun na naman. Round 2, kada dalawang beses na down si Rotan guys. Kailangan mag-ingat ni Rotan dito guys. Parang nagsasmile-smile na yung Japanese. Kailangan bumawi ni Rotan guys. Fight. Ayun na. Binugbog pala. Binugbog si Rotan guys ah. Wow. Malakas yung hapon. Ayun oh. Tumama talaga guys. Let's go. Dito tayo round 3. Grabe, napaka-action guys. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ba si Rotan guys ha. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ba ng knockdown.
Push kick by the Iron Man. Putting hand combinations together. Attacking the midsection of the neck to avoid. This front kick very effective, actually really messing with the balance and the rhythm of Takeru. It's an easy shot to throw. But then Takeru, one time he's a pop. Around the corner. And the left breaks when they exchange lefts. And Takeru's been winning the battle tonight. Look at Ronte. Body, head, big hooks. Right in each other's kitchen. Either man willing to take a step back. Look at the durability. Winton continuing to press. Utilizing the front kick rolls up nicely now from the body up to the head. Big right hand landed by Takeru as Ronte backs him up to the ropes. Oh, clean right hand landed by the Iron Man. Snapping the head around of Takeru.
Yun na.
But Takeru seems to be enjoying this exchange, Brian. He loves the back and forth. He loves this battle. It is a very risky situation, especially based on how the first fight went. To just eat the shots of Rotom. Trey, oh, beautiful combination. Low kick climbing his way up the ladder. Big shots landed by Takeru. Ronte shakes his head again. That's the style Ronte has become known for. Each shot is a takeoff. In the second round, they're going to
Let's go. Yung round 3 tapos na. Dito tayo sa round 4.
saw that power on display.
Kailangan bumawi ni ano dito guys, Rutang guys, kasi dalawang knockdown yun or isang knockdown. Kasi yung isa parang kontra siya dun sa knockdown na yun nung una. Malaki yung puntos kapag na-down. Kaya kailangan niya bumawi. Let's go. Round 4.
Championship round, my mistake. Losing track of time in my excitement. Again, Rotom back to the front kick here, pumping the jab a little bit more. Well, this is where things get really interesting in the fourth round. Short, choppy leg kick. I'd like to see more of that. At the leg of Ronte. Ronte seems to be kind of calling the brawling mentality. He's smart. I think he's going to change things up here in this fourth round, Brian. That's right. You know, he's aggressive. He loves to pour it on. And he's also got incredible fight IQ. Tripling the left hook. Head, body, head, throwing it in and clean. Now, with the way that Muay Thai now,
Mapalo na ng combination si Rutang guys, oh.
yes, the knockdown of the highest category besides the knockout. But if Ronte can do enough damage, he can start to find his way back to Thailand. Absolutely vicious. Not to find his way back into this fight. He's going to do a lot of work. Takeru continuing to smile. Cuban Rogers landing a big left hook there. But Takeru shaking his head saying no way. Ronte, that left hand is just an absolute weapon, Brian. He's lightning fast with it. Gotta be one of the best left hooks in all the flyweight division. Takeru's wearing it well, though. Big push kick sends Ronte backwards. That's right there, sticking up the jab after another calf kick. Missing the targets nicely. Takeru looking to eat the punch, return with the calf kick. But Rotom is so tough. Not really reacting to the low kicks at all. Most durable fight. Not really reacting to the low kicks at all. One of the most durable fighters in the game is the Iron Man. Takeru continues to wait on the fire. Very few fighters are willing to do, Brian, to exchange the Iron Man like this. Well, very few fighters willing to do what Takeru was willing to do. These guys, incredible legacy, so tough. Just letting it all hang out. The left kick there narrowly missing, and then Rotom firing back with that shield right hook that he's been liking in this fight.
Yun na. Ayun na.
Rotom starting to break through here, Mitch. Heavy shots along the ropes.
Round 3 round 4? Parang round 4? Hindi ako sure, hindi ako ano, kasi hindi pa ako totally na ilang round tong kickboxing. Okay, si round 4 yun. Patatapos lang para bubugan talaga, guys. So, final round 5 pala, guys. Let's go.
Decided to put him down after this win, lose, or draw. But Ryan, after a performance like this, he can't retire. I mean, his confidence has to be through the roof, scoring those 2 knockdowns with that left hook. What kind of power carry is again? And you know, Mitch, in this 5th round, this 5th and final round, they are going to trade. Short chopping low kick. Watson answers back with a big push kick. A right hand that turns the corner for Takeru.
So, ngayon, ito na tayo sa final round.
Trying to give back to the front kick. Upsetting the rhythm, taking away that base there, unloading here among the ropes. Takeru rolling with that shot, a smile on his face literally the whole time, Mitch. Enjoying every moment of his last 2 minutes in a competitive arena. Takeru screams and evades. He is now calling to the crowd, asking Wotan to bring it on. Wotan again with that front kick out. Big right hand from Takeru though, right down the pipe. They have little gloves on. I guarantee you one of them would point to the center of the ring, Brian, and say, let's throw down. And that's what we've seen all 5 rounds so far. 90 seconds to go. A big right hand sends Rotate backwards. Takeru.
Ayun. Down. Down na naman si Rodtang, guys. Halimaw din yung hapon, guys. Wala na, guys. Talo si, guys, Rodtang dito, guys. Oo. Takeru versus Rodtang 2. Ayun. So, guys, napanood nyo, guys. So, panalo. Panalo Takeru versus Rodtang. Panalo si Takeru, guys, yung hapon. So, guys, if you like more, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. D. George, maraming salamat po. God bless. Peace.